Hi there, my name is Mohammad Abbas and welcome to the 7th class of Microsoft PowerPoint for Beginners. In this class we are going to learn all about Animations tab that is present beside Transitions tab. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, Transitions tab I have taught you in the 6th class of Microsoft PowerPoint for Beginners. In this tutorial, we'll try to learn about animations, that how these are working like. So what you have to do is to make sort of slides, or maybe one or two sort of slides, and type something there in title or subtitle there. So what you have to do is to understand about animation. Animation is something that will be animating the word or the line or the paragraph that you are having on the interface. Like for example, I have clicked on that, and now this time I want to apply sort of animation on this, so that whenever I want to make my lecture or my topic, or over there I'll be applying on any of the word, so that it will be bringing sort of beauty in my lecture or in my presentation that I'm making. So let's try to select this, or maybe click there and make sure to try to go for different sort of animations, like this one, or maybe this one, like it is applying sort of color inside that. See, that works. Some of them are so much amazing and beautiful. Similarly, if you want to go for this one, that will be giving results something like that. And over there we have got more of the options, like effect options. If I click on that, that will be animating from the different direction. Go for this. See, that works. And this will be working on the basis of half spin, full spin, and 2 spins, add animations. Well, we have got more of the animations inside that. Like if I go for this, that is something I have already taught you. Go for this, that is animating from the different sort of direction, and up, right, even locked, unlocked. Now you must observe that I have applied two sort of transition on this. If you click on the first one and preview, that will be giving results like that, and the second one is giving results something like that. And similarly, you can go for more of the options, like this one. You can just play with it and make sure to double click on that. You have to keep double clicking on this, and that will be giving the result, and then you're free to be using anyone you like. And similarly, we have got sort of option which is known as preview, which you can preview the moment you have applied sort of animation inside that. And this is same thing I have taught you already. Go for this, make sure to drag that right side. See, that is giving the result color wise. Make sure to double click on that. See, that is giving the result like that. And just try to play with it, and that will be giving the result to you. So much beautiful animation. If you want to preview that, you have to be clicking on that. Animation pane. If you want to make sure about animation pane, you have to be just clicking on play from, and that will be giving the result to you. And then we have got the same option which I have, or which I must have taught you in the previous tutorial about transitions, like setting the time and all of these. This is something with previous. You can change the direction, you can change the place of that. Like see, that is working like that, and then like this, or one click. Set the duration, preview. Now you can see that it is delaying. It is taking more of the time in animating. If I decrease the time of that, preview that, see, that is so much faster than the previous one. Go for delay. That is something that is setting the time from one animation to another animation, like preview. This is something that the moment you click on that, it will be taking 1.25 seconds time in order to be starting. See, that works. Move later, move earlier. It is directing towards first animation and the second animation. Well, I have set maybe two sort of animation on global warming word. So what I want to do is to click on warming and also apply this. What I have to do is to click there, go for animation painter and click there. Now this time, whatever animation I was applying on that is being applied on the warming. Let's try to wait for that. See, that works. I hope you have enjoyed this small sort of class in which I have taught you all about animations. So I have already told you in the previous class that the transitions tab and animations tab, these two are the key tabs to be using for the presentation or making sort of topic or making sort of lecture inside presentation or PowerPoint. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.